Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives. Today, let's go for a drive in this 2025 BMW M240i xDrive. This vehicle has a 3-liter turbocharged 6-cylinder with 302 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The 2025 M models have this beautiful steering wheel with like this thick bolstering on it. You have a red stripe at the top and a flat bottom, which I really like that BMW did. You had the xDrive 8 in this vehicle. You do have the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. You also have the built-in maps and everything like that. You have a 360 degree, or no, not 360, but just a reverse camera system with the dynamic guidelines as well to help you get in and out of a spot. You have Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro modes on this vehicle. AC controls, or little, you know, the little knobs to direct the air, and then you can control the fan speed over there. You also have heated seats in this vehicle. One thing I noticed is I don't think you have lumbar support in this car, because I can't find like a little switch to adjust the lumbar in it. You have shift paddles behind the steering wheel as well. You have a pretty big sunroof, which looks cool. You also have rear seats, which you have to access by moving the front seats forward, of course, because this is a coupe and not a Grand Coupe. Let's do a quick walk around on this car. It's finished in Zandvoort blue with these beautiful BMW individual wheels. Daytime running light, LED strips, black mirror caps, the wing mirrors. It has like the same taillight as the M2. I won't be showing the back of this vehicle just because of the license plate on this vehicle. I was requested not to show the license plate on this specific car. I apologize for that. Let's get it out on the road. But yes, the owner of this car requested me not to show their license plates, so just didn't want to, you know, I can't show the back of the vehicle. But it looks pretty cool. You can take my word for it. Pretty dang quick. Awesome exhaust. And this thing is really fast. It's like really small coupe with great power. It literally feels like, you know, probably does 0 to 60 in around 4 seconds or less. Maybe more like, I don't know the exact number, but it's probably between 4 to like 4.3 seconds is what it feels like. And I love the steering wheel. It's so awesome. I just love it. I really want the steering wheel in my G80 M3. Like, I was checking out some LCI G80s and they have the steering wheel. It looks so cool. I really want this wheel, but it's gonna be expensive if I want to get it. Put in the S mode too. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. That's so fun. And BMW's 8-speed is so good in every one of their cars. It's awesome. It's so fun just putting your foot down. Acceleration's phenomenal. Handling I mean, it feels very well planted and everything like that. Like typical BMW M Performance vehicle. That's what you expect from all of them. And this is a very flashy color too, like the Zandvoort blue. When I at first glance, I thought this was Yas Marina blue, but then BMW, I was like, yeah, BMW doesn't make that. I just couldn't remember what that exact color was, but when I searched it up, it came back to me. I was like, yeah, that's the color from the M2 Zandvoort. Seats are decent, but I do wish I had lumbar support, because like that, after a while your back's gonna hurt. Lumbar support is very important to me. I need to have like some back support, because yeah, my back is going to hurt if I drive with a flat back seat, right? That is impressive. Very, very impressive performance. Very, very cool car. Just gets up to speed so fast. That acceleration is amazing. Very, very fun. You hear those little burbles from the exhaust. And it looks like this one doesn't have the Harman Kardon system. It has a bass sound system, which kind of bothers me. And like I made a video on the X3 M40i the other day. It doesn't even have Harman Kardon, which kind of surprises me. Why is that not coming stock from the factory on an M vehicle, on an M Performance vehicle? It's not a full M vehicle, obviously, but it's an M Performance car. So why does it not have the upgraded sound system? That's kind of ridiculous to me, at least. Yeah, my favorite highlight of this car is the steering wheel. I absolutely love it. I love, well, like thickly bolstered steering wheels. They're easy to grip, they look cool, especially in a performance car. That's very important in my opinion. So that's pretty awesome that it has that. You can never get tired of that. That is so fun. So fun. Overall, this is a very cool vehicle from BMW. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and stay tuned for more automotive content as always.